Now we're going to start with the listening for Unit 24.
Unit 24. Introduction. Exercise 2.
1.
It's round and it's made of plastic, or it might be made of glass. It's like a ball, but there's a man inside. He's holding something and turning it. It's used for moving across water, but it also works on land.
2.
It's a kind of railway line which is on a dinner table. It's made of metal. It's used for carrying food around the table.
Unit 24. Pronunciation. Exercise 2.
A.
Sugar and salt are added.
B.
Shops ask them to deliver ice cream.
C.
The mixture is frozen.
D.
There are 4 escalators in the station near my house.
E.
He had a better idea.
F.
Where is Ben & Jerry's ice cream sold?
Unit 24. Pronunciation. Exercise 4.
A.
Television was invented in the 1920s.
B.
Where are escalators used?
C.
Ben & Jerry's ice cream is sold in many places.
D.
Many shops have escalators.
E.
Some inventions aren't successful.
F.
I met him at 4 o'clock.
G.
Some people went up and down all day.
H.
I've lost your address.
Exam Folder 24. Listening Part 3. Exercise 3.
You will hear a man talking on the radio about a museum. For each question, fill in the missing information in the numbered space.
And today we are looking at things to do in the Weston area. One of the big attractions is, of course, the Museum of Science. It's in South Avenue. It's been there since 1951, but before that it was in a smaller building in Market Square for nearly 100 years. Weston's had a Museum of Science since 1859, so that's something to be proud of. The museum is open from Saturday to Thursday from 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. It has longer opening hours on a Friday when it stays open until 9 p.m. The museum shop is open from 10 until 5 every day except Monday, when it closes early. There's plenty to see in a museum. You can cross a desert or travel through the human body. And there's a new gallery opening this week with a new exhibition. Go there to find out more about the planets. Imagine landing somewhere 1,000,000 miles away from Earth. What would it feel like? Every week, there's a different children's activity. This week, the subject is photography. Children can take their own photographs. That's for children between the ages of 8 and 14. The museum is on 4 floors. On the ground floor are the shop and the cloakrooms. The permanent exhibitions are on the first and second floors. By the time you visited those, you'll be thirsty, so carry on to the cafe on the third floor, which is open all day for drinks and snacks. One important piece of information. If you visit the museum before the 24th of July, you won't be able to use the car park. It's closed for repairs. But you are allowed to park in the hotel car park opposite. Now, the phone number...